Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a letterhead pad in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app, and after opening that, we need to search on the search all templates. We have to click on it, and after clicking on this, we have to search for the letterhead pad. So I'm going to write that. As you can see, right here the letterhead pad, and now simply let's write the letterhead. And now simply we have to search for that a letterhead template. As you can see, you are going to get a lot of templates here. All the designs will be displayed, and now you need to choose that which type of design you want. So as you can see, all the designs are here. Now you have to choose that which type of design you want to use. As you can see, these are the different type of designs. For example, I want to use this one, so let's click on this, and after clicking on it, as you can see, study notes, template, date, subject, and all are here. Now let's click on the remix this template, so let's click on it, and after clicking on this, as you can see, all the designs will be open. So as you can see, now if you want to edit them, you can also do that. For example, if you are going to click on this, and if you want to delete it, you can also do that, like the replace, crop shape, remove background, pin to background, delete, all options are provided here. You can use these. For example, if you want to edit the text, you have to double click on this, and the text will be in the editing mode. And for example, I'm going to double click on this. As you can see, now if you want to replace the shape, you can also do that. For example, I want to replace this shape, and the shape will be replaced like this. For example, I'm going to click on the 10, and now let's say zoom this. If you want to zoom it, you can also do that. So as you can see, the layout option is also provided here. You can choose the layout option as well. So in this way you can design the letterhead page. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. See you guys in the next video.